Hi guys. Um People might be wondering how to activate their third eye and their crown chakras. People might be wondering how to raise their vibration, raise their frequency, and might be kind of stuck. So today I want to give just a little talk, just some food for thought on how to activate your third eye and crown chakra. Let's get it, guys. The ones whom are blessed are the ones whom are peaceful and meet or arrive at the crown chakra from or through the heart chakra to activate the third eye and the crown chakra. One of the best ways the ancients used to activate all 7 chakras are by calling them directly by name, their exact name that our ancestors used. Starting from the bottom, or the sacral chakra. Let's get it. First is Lam. Second is the Vam. Third is Ram. Fourth is Yam. The 5th chakra, which is the throat chakra, is Ham. Your third eye chakra is Om. And your crown chakra doesn't have a name. It's just silence or awareness. Another way to activate these 2 chakras, top chakras, are to chant the Maha Mantra. Sort of goes something like this: Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, plus more. I'm still practicing. Sorry. Altogether, there's 16 words in the mantra, which correspond with the 16 petals of the throat chakra. So when using your voice, please remember that you're using the best tool humans have to ascend to the higher frequencies, to become a mystic. It is the voice, guys. This is why chanting and knowing the names of all chakras